Siren system. This test of the emergency. The siren system. Oh God. This test of the emergency. 12:14 p.m. 12:15 p.m. Come on, guys, let's go. I'll go back to the room, y'all. Oh my God. Why are you emergency? Oh my God. Oh my God. It's ready. Why are you emergency? Casey, I got this bad to Casey. Oh my God. But to get to the place of Lake Charles, Louisiana. I think how many in the community? Whoa. It says that was a community. Look at the place, hands. Look at the play outside. And what you please? Read a little wet. Can you see the kids? Can you see? I look at the kids. I'm going to play now. I think it's. You know what? I think it's inside when this. And how many's going on? How many there? Can you see what's happening? Can you see what she's doing? I love you. Can you see? A siren goes off. Hear me and hear me. I can't see. I can't see what's happening. Can you see what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? The siren is going. Wait, hey, it's siren. This is DC Pixar's Animator. As I tell us, you can't. Look, the siren is go off. Look, the siren is go off. Can you pay attention? What you doing? Look at the play outside with me. Look at the legs. We're gonna sit on the floor. On the cameras, how many are there? Can you see? Can you do this? Let me tell you. How many emergency? Can't you see? Everybody gets to the bunch of beautiful people. Hey, buddy. Can you see? What's going on? The picnic. Everybody is so excited to be here. And let's hear us. The siren emergency. Hey, wait. You stop it. Look, see? The siren is coming over. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that siren. Look at that. Hey, what's that? Look at that. What's that? No more playing. No more restaurant. And no recess. And what you take to this, but listen. The test of the whoa. This is let's go. And the kids when we can see what's happened. We're gonna get city. Can you see? That's Christmas. What happened, Simon? What happened, Simon? What's happening? I'm going to go outside and play. I'm going to take tests of the emergency. Oh my God. What is happening? Are you? How many tests of the emergency? How many siren is